Armacell makes Armaflex, the original closed-cell foam insulation. It's the right insulation for many of the mechanical systems that engineers design and contractors install. You may know that its closed-cell structure is good for many parts of a chilled water HVAC system, including the chiller, the air handler units, the chilled water piping, and chilled water tanks. It's also ideal for lining or wrapping ductwork and insulating fan coil units. Did you know that Armaflex is well suited for the refrigeration lines of VRV, VRF systems? It's also excellent for direct expansion refrigeration lines, indoors or out. There's also Armatough, a durable, factory-jacketed product for exterior ductwork. And how do you know you can trust Armaflex is the right insulation for your project? Because it's been used in thousands of jobs in North America. The Armaflex family of products has been proven effective for almost every type of commercial job. It's been used in hospitals, where both the thermal and acoustic benefits of duct installation make systems more efficient and quiet. You'll find Armaflex in schools and universities, where indoor air quality and energy efficiency are key. Armaflex is on the chilled water systems of major airports, where miles of piping need to be insulated. It's on the VRV, VRF piping of a top-ranking college stadium and the ductwork of the Superdome in New Orleans. It's in hotels where guests set the temperature in their rooms to their preference. It's on the HVAC systems and ductwork of hundreds of mixed-use high-rise buildings, like the Empire State Building. You'll find Armaflex on the HVAC systems of major data centers, where keeping cool keeps our data safe. Armaflex is used in industrial operations, where controlling condensation and maintaining proper temperatures is essential to manufacturing. It's been used in cruise ships, yachts, and sailboats, where non-halogen options provide extra safety. Armaflex has even been used in the International Space Station. A material this versatile is probably just right for your next job, too. So specify Armaflex closed-cell foam insulation for worry-free chilled water, refrigeration, and duct systems.